Wow! Ha! Take that! I'm totally destroying this level! Hey, I need your help. Peel these veggies for me, please. What? But I hate peeling veggies! That's the worst! And look how big they are! Mom, do I have to? I was playing my game, too! Yes, you do. Now get to work, please. Ugh, I can't believe she's making me do this. I really hate the onions. Now don't take too long with those veggies, Jennifer, okay? I'll be working over here if you need me. Phew. There. Mom, I'm done with all the veggies! Now I can finally go back to playing my game. Hold up there, honey. Look, I made you some lunch. So why don't you take a break and eat this first, okay? You did such a good job with these veggies. Thank you so much. Now she's making me eat food too? The worst. At least it's a sandwich. I do like Sammy's. Last bite. There. What's she up to over there? Oh yes, I've been waiting for your call. Honey, I'll be right over here. Yes! Now's my chance to get back to my game! Just gotta chug this juice and then I'm back at it! Hey, wait a second! There's that cupboard under there! I've got a really great idea! There! Now I've got a comfy little secret room and she'll have no idea where to find me. Thank you. Bye. Okay, back to the dishes. What's that sound I'm hearing? Is it coming from the sink? The plumbing, maybe? No. Oh no! I'm making too much noise! I've gotta be quiet! Huh. It stopped. Guess it was nothing to worry about. Well, back to the dishes, I suppose. They're not gonna wash themselves. And no one else around here is gonna do them either. I swear. Yes! She totally doesn't know I'm under here! Back to my game!
Oh yeah! I love this game! I need to keep up my energy!
Sweetie? What's going on in here? Video games? And this time… Alex, you should be in bed!
Sorry, but me and the guys are in the middle of a game.
I don't care. Put on your pajamas and get to bed!
Come on, Mom! I wanna finish my game! This is so not fair! Mom!
Quiet, Alex. Get to bed.
Fine.
I'll be watching. It's always something with that boy. Those video games are so silly.
Mom always ruins my fun. Huh? What's that? Sounds like a video game. It's coming from out there. I need to investigate. Mom? Ooh, snacks. Wait a minute. Is that… little green men? I knew they were real!
Yes! Oh!
Mom? What are you doing?
It's a fun game.
She's got the high score! How?
Come here.
This is amazing, Mom!
Look out! Eeny, meeny, miny, mo! I win! Are you kidding me? Fine, go hide. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, gotta find somewhere she'll never look. Let's see. Oh, I know. I'll just duck down behind the couch. 8, 9, 10. Let's see. Where could she be hiding? Oh. Aw, come on! You didn't even look! Well, you didn't hide very well. I turned around and there you were. Okay, well, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I get to hide again! Of course you do. Maybe try to do a better job this time. 9, 10. Okay, here I come again. And maybe I'll just check in here. Yep, just like I suspected. What? How did you find me so quickly? Found you. Again. I'm starting to think you're not good at this. Ugh, she finds me every time. There's gotta be somewhere I can hide. Well maybe there's something outside I can use to help. Let's see, is there anything good? Some cardboard, the garbage bin, mailbox. I think I just got a great idea! 9, 10! Alright, I'm gonna find you again! I thought for sure she'd be in here one more time. I love these chips! They're extra salty. Wait, is that her? No. Must have been nothing. Not behind the curtain either. She's getting clever. Woo! I've been trying to beat this level forever! Where could she be? This has gotten tricky. Ugh, where is she? I've looked everywhere. Unless she's outside? Huh, wait a second. What's over here? Well, I don't see her out here either. She's really stumped me. How long has it been? Wait, I don't have a watch. I can't believe she finally outdid me in hide and seek. Luna, where are you? should see the look on your face! I win! But come on! Oh my gosh! You only beat me by building that thing. You'd never have won otherwise. It was my favorite episode for sure. Their outfits were so cute. Luna? Hello? Earth to Luna, what are you looking at? Oh, I get it now. He does have pretty nice hair. Uh-oh, here he comes. And Luna is totally smitten. You like him. You've got a big old crush on him. What? Shh! Keep it down or other people will hear you! Oh my gosh, you're such a scaredy cat! You need some help! And I've got just the thing that'll help me help you! Your credit card? But what are we gonna do with that? You'll see. Just let me work my magic. Yes! It worked! Hi! Oh my goodness, I have customers. Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm ready to speak with the spirits for you. Great! Luna here needs a reading because she likes a boy. Show her that picture you're always carrying around in secret. Oh. Ah, yes. Young love. Well, go on. Pass that picture to me. Come on now, hand it over. I'll need it for the reading. Ah, yes. I see. Well, he is very cute, I suppose. Now let me get to work and consult the cards. The spirits will help me divine the future for you. What possibilities could be in store? Isn't this exciting? She's one of the best! Alright, let's see what these cards have to say. That's interesting. Last card. Oh my! Well, this is a lucky book for you! This card is all about romance and your love life! Oh my gosh! Can you believe that? You have to talk to him! Hey! He's right over there! Come on, be brave! Okay, fine. You're right. Here I go.
Hey.
Oh, hi. I really love your sweater.
That's wild because I was just thinking how I like your sweater too.
What did I say? Oh my gosh! Everything's fine in here. Don't worry. Oh, she's totally my favorite right now. I love her hair. Huh? Wait, what's that? Did you see that over there? No, I don't see anything. Anyway, like I was saying, her hair is… No, seriously! Look right over there! Don't you see it? I think there's someone outside the door! Oh my gosh! Who the heck is that? I'm so scared! Oh no! I think they're trying to come in here! Let's get out of here! We have to hide right now! Yeah, but where? Maybe behind the plant? The plant? That's not good enough! Hey! We have to hide in the vents! He'll never find us up there! The vents? Oh, I see! You're right! Let's get up there! You don't think he can hear us crawling around up here, do you? Hey, move over! I'm trying to fit around this corner here! It's no use. We'll have to go together, like this! Ugh, you're in my way! Stop! Let me go first! Stop grabbing me! You're being so annoying! Stop, stop! Look, here's the kitchen! We can check on things from up here. Look! There's the intruder! All I can see is their shadow. Shoot! We still don't know who they are. Whew. It's so chilly out there today. Good thing I wore my sweater. I think I heard talking. I need to listen. Achoo! Are you kidding me right now? Huh? Was that a sneeze I just heard? It's Mom! She spotted us!
Sweet tattoo, bro. No, I'm getting a puppy tattoo. What's going on over there? Wow. Great. Now I've got a nerd in my studio. Maybe I should come back another time. You should have seen it, bro. There was like 20 ninjas. I was like, pow! Ouchie. Almost done. Hey, guys. You're sitting on me. You starting something, bro? You guys seem nice. Okay, that's you. Nice. Thanks. Come on. You should see the new bike. Me? Okay. I don't feel so good. Great. We've got a painter. Sorry. I'm good. I'd like a tattoo, please. Obviously. What do you want? This, please. That? Really? It's cute. Okay, it's your skin. Let's go. I can't believe I'm doing this. Try not to faint. What did I just say? That reminds me. I need some me time. I wish I could spend all day in here. Oh, whiskers. Not cuddly enough. Mr. Bear, you'll do. You're so fluffy. You know, you might be useful. Hey, it's over? Oh, wow. Take it. He's so soft. Thank you. I'm ready. Ugh, it stings, but you'll keep me safe, Bear.
Alright, my darlings. Have a good day! Bye, Mom! Alright, what should we do now? Let's go sit in our secret fort room! Yes! I love this place! Wow, it's like being under a starry sky inside the house! Secret rooms are the best ever! Which of these secret rooms do you want to spend time in? Let us know in the comments! And don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel's page for more great videos like this one!
We should totally hang out sometime. Quiet, everyone! I'm looking at you, Alex. It's exam time. I have your papers. Where are they? Ah, got them. I'm feeling confident. We'll see about that, Alex. Is that a tattoo? If you spend more time studying, Alex, you might pass the test. She has a tattoo? Crazy. I don't know why you're so happy. Just focus on the exam. Whoa, cool necklace. Close your mouth. You'll catch flies. And you may begin. What's going on? This is so strange. I don't want to hear any talking. Get on with it. Wow, she's mad. I'm watching you. This is hard. No cheating, Alex. Now's my chance. I need a diversion. Oops! I dropped my pen. I better pick it up. There. Finished. It wasn't too bad. Miss, here's my paper. Where does she go? No idea. What's that? Should we look? Whoa! A rock-on! Miss? She's a metalhead? Rock! I did not expect that. Let's get out of here. Yeah!
Wow, I've had a long day. Can't wait to get some sleep. Huh? What was that? Is that a light on in my wardrobe? I guess not. Must have been imagining things. Huh? There's the light again! I knew it! I've gotta hide! What if it's monsters? Well, it doesn't seem like anything's coming out. And I've never seen a monster in there before. Maybe it's not monsters. Maybe it's something else. Okay, I have to be brave. That's all. I can still back out. No! I have to do this! Here I go! Huh. I don't see anything. It's just my clothes in here like always. There's definitely no light, though. Not that I can find. You know what? I know I saw something. I better really examine it. Wait, what the heck? Was that pizza in her hand? No way! It was pizza! And soda! It's like a whole retreat in there! Yeah, well… Look! Come in here and have some pizza, too! Oh, okay. I don't mind if I do. Wow! The secret room is great! I love all the decorations! This pizza is really hitting the spot, too! So good! So now you know about my secret room. Cheers! It's great!
I wonder what my precious angels are doing. Yoo-hoo! Oh, they're so well behaved. I'm so blessed. Wait a minute. They're almost too quiet. I knew it. What's going on in here? This is epic. Oh, hey, Mom. I might have known.